In the trade arena, India braces for potential tariff hikes on its exports to the US, with estimates suggesting a range between 20% and 25%. Despite this standoff ahead of 1st August deadline, both nations are optimistic about broader negotiations scheduled for mid-August. The aim is to finalize a comprehensive bilateral agreement by September or October. However, President Donald Trump has hinted at issuing tariff letters that could impose duties of up to 25% in a worst-case scenario. Yet, Indian officials remain hopeful that this would be temporary, as 5 rounds of trade talks have already taken place. Trump's recent statement indicated most partners without separate trade deals will soon face tariffs ranging from 15% to 20%. His administration is set to notify around 200 countries about their new world tariff rate shortly. US Trade Representative Jamieson Greer emphasized that talks with India require more negotiations, stating that Trump prioritized good deals over quick ones. He also commended India's intent to open its market, though it has historically protected domestic interests. Indian officials have offered tariff cuts on a variety of goods and are working towards easing non-tariff barriers, except in agriculture and dairy sectors where imports of genetically modified soybean or corn and opening up the dairy sector remain non-starters. With the US targeting BRICS nations, including India, over issues such as de-dollarization and Russian oil purchases, India is carefully calibrating its strategy. If no deal materialize, Indian exports could face average tariffs of around 26%, higher than those faced by Vietnam, Indonesia, Japan, or the European Union. Both sides are keen to reach an agreement that offers preferential access to Indian exporters compared to their peers. Negotiations continue, with analysts urging for more dialogue between the two nations to determine India's level of ambition in US trade.